So hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In last videos we have shared the very important and expected questions till chapter 5. In this video you are going to get chapter 6 progression of class 10 maths most expected board exam questions. Okay, actually friends, from this chapter, after doing research and this all, I am unable to pick the important questions because randomly from anywhere, like with his own creativity, he is generating the questions. But even though I have tried my best and I have picked the eight question, I am expecting these questions. And one more thing, I want to clear you that numbers will not be same. Already in previous videos also I said you. And coming to the first question, write the formula to find SN. SN means sum of n terms of an AP and explain each terms. Okay, here sometimes they will change the question. Instead of SN they will say sum of n terms of an AP and explain each term. Don't confuse that. And the formula is SN is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, and you need to write the full forms of this all. What is SN, N, what is A first term, what is N number of terms, D is common difference is all. Then coming to the next one, write the formula to find the AN and explain each term. Okay, there they will sometimes they will say AN, or sometimes they will say last term, sometimes they will say general terms. These three for these three sentence or for three names, formula is same. Okay, general term, last term, और it is nth term. तो ये तीन वर्ड में से कौन सा भी पूछने तो आपको फॉर्मूला सेम रहता, कंफ्यूज नहीं होगा. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and what is an, what is a, what is n, and what is e, you need to write it. Coming to the third one, find the 10th term of an AP. Whether it is 10th term, 12th term, 15th term, you know very well. If they are asking 10th term, just we need to simply use the formula a10 is equal to a plus 90. डी के बाजू में जो नंबर आएगा 10 बोले तो 9 आएगा, 12 बोले तो 11 आएगा, 20 बोले तो ये 20, 19 you are going to. Then next one, which term of an AP is so and so is minus 81. Means here you need to find n value. Then see here, this is important. Which term? Term means what? N is actually what is the full form of n? Number of terms. Term matching. Right, like this you need to remember. Then find the S24 of the numbers whose nth term is given. Nth term, general term, last term. Same, A. So they have given this one. First from this, you find out first term, second term, third term. And with the help of that, first you find the value of A and D. Then afterwards you can find the S24 by using the formula. Coming to this, is 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So is minus 150, because here if you observe here we are having all positive numbers. Okay, so if you are getting positive or if you are getting in positive, if you are not getting in negative numbers or in fraction number, then we can say it is not a term. Okay. So practice this type of questions they are asking. Instead of minus 150 they will give you minus 120. Then ये number है ना अड़गल. The nth term of an AP is 6n plus 2. I find the common difference. Here they have given nth term. See, last time here they were using the word, yes, here also nth term, here also. So most of the time they are going with nth term only. Okay, so an is equal to 6n plus 2. Find the common difference. First you have to find first term, second term by substituting. In the place of n 1 you will get 8, then second 12 plus 14 minus 8, you will get the value of d, that is nothing but common difference. Okay, once you practice this, if I explain each and every sum, the video will be too lengthy. First of all, I am trying to make the short videos, so that's one reason I am not elaborating that. Otherwise, if I explain the solutions also, it will be very lengthy. Thus I am giving you the important questions so that you can practice well. Okay, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? This is the last and very important expectation question from chapter 6 progression. Okay, so I hope you are practicing well. Plan perfectly. See that 2 to 3 hours you are doing one subject, then break, and see that after every you give 5 to 10 minutes break yourself. Okay, and divide 3 hours one subject, 3 hours one subject, 3 hours like this, and you practice well, because your exams are in only 5 days are left over. And I hope you have understand these questions. If you are liking our videos. Please like, subscribe, and share our video. Thank you. Jai Hind.